The Australian Army is enhancing its operational capabilities with the Boxer Combat Reconnaissance Vehicle, CRV, a versatile and heavily armored platform that is being integrated into a wide array of mission scenarios. Recently, Brigadier Giles Cornelia, the commander of the 7th Brigade, reported a notable training exercise involving the Boxer CRV crew from the 2ND/14th Light Horse Regiment. This drill, which involved the self-deployment of vehicles to the port of Brisbane, provided the opportunity to practice amphibious deployment techniques in collaboration with HMS Schule, a Bay-class landing ship. This exercise underscores the strategic importance of the Boxer CRV as it continues to be tested in diverse operational environments. Australia's acquisition of 211 Boxer CRVs, under the Land 400 Phase 2 program, marks a significant advancement in its defence capabilities. These vehicles are set to replace the aging Australian Light Armoured Vehicle ASLAV, with deliveries expected to continue until 2026. The first 25 Boxer vehicles, produced in Germany, were used for initial training and to familiarise crews with the platform. Fitted with Australian-specific communication systems, these early models served as the foundation for the development of operational skills. The Boxer fleet includes a range of variants, including reconnaissance vehicles, joint fire support vehicles, command and control units, repair and recovery vehicles, and more. These versatile vehicles are produced locally at Rheinmetall's Military Vehicle Centre of Excellence in Ipswich, Queensland, ensuring that the project supports Australian industry and contributes to the national economy. Notably, more than 40 Australian companies are engaged in the production and sustainment of these vehicles, securing local jobs and fostering technological innovation. Part of the Boxer CRV's design focus is on modularity, allowing for quick reconfiguration depending on the mission. This flexible approach enables the Australian Army to address a broad spectrum of operational needs, from reconnaissance to recovery operations. The vehicles are powered by a robust 720 horsepower engine and are equipped with advanced fire control systems, including thermal imaging and laser rangefinding, allowing crews to operate effectively in challenging environments. The Boxer's success is not limited to Australian use. The vehicle is in service or on order with several other nations, including Germany, the United Kingdom, and the Netherlands. These countries have tailored Boxer variants for specific missions, such as air defense, self-propelled artillery, and counter-drone operations, further highlighting the vehicle's adaptability. Through the Boxer Combat Reconnaissance Vehicle program, Australia is positioning itself to meet future operational demands while simultaneously fostering local industry growth. The Boxer CRV's ability to support a variety of roles, coupled with its superior mobility, advanced weaponry, and flexible design, makes it an indispensable asset for modern military operations. As deliveries continue, the Australian Army will be well equipped to respond to a range of challenges, both at home and abroad.